Hi folks, it's Tuesday morning. It's kind of windy to be out there fishing. I'm over here by Seabrook, and don't look like you could even launch here anymore. A couple of people sitting around out here though. I know one thing, it's nice and cool under this bridge. It's like air conditioning. You got one place you can back down. If you feel froggy, you can back down. That's a common grunt. No boats. Water look clean though. Well, this used to be a hot spot at one time, folks. You had a hard time finding a place to park your car. They used to have so many people out here. Frank Davis Bridge is gone. Can't use that anymore. A lot of trash out here. I think the city would come out here and pick up some of this trash up, empty these barrels. Maybe not. Whoa, man. Lose my truck on that one. That's the Frank Davis fishing pier, folks. Ain't nobody fishing on it. But the current's kind of strong too. That's collapsed. Current's kind of strong. Frank Davis fishing pier. They never did fix it. It's like it's fresh water with all the lilies out there. I don't know if y'all can see all the lilies out there. Must be fresh water. Folks, this used to be a hot spot this time of the year. I mean, big trout. There's two 40-plus foot holes out there we used to fish at. The lady's taking water samples out there, folks. I don't know who she's with. Taking a bunch of water samples. Oh, this is a little different. I guess it's for the clarity. See how clean the water is. Yep, that's what she's doing now. See multicolored disc, black and white. Up, jump. Got some, got bait out there. But you're not going to launch here. This is probably only one stall that you can launch, try to launch anyway. I used to like that that launch over there. It was deep. It's nice and cool out here, folks. Very humidity's down. I'd say it's in the 40s, high 40s. Feels good. Now she's measuring ambient temperature. She just pulled up a water temperature gauge. Now she's measuring ambient temperature. temperature. I guess you should have noticed the winds out of the north. Somewhat out of the north. Northeast, east, northeast. You can see over in the distance over there, they got the white caps all along the seawall. It's pounding it. All the birds over there by the breakwater. You just come out here and watch them crazy people pick up their boats, man. They didn't know what they had no clue, man. They had one guy come up there almost halfway up the ramp. He came in hot, didn't shut it down.